Yeah, so I fumbled, that's why I'm continuing again. Anyway, I was saying that I took a drop here because I was going to plan for my masters, and I was planning my masters in psychology. That's why I took a drop here, that I'm prepared, I'll see this and that and that. But taking a drop here is a big thing, because trust me, I have like me there. I'm not saying that it's just me. Maybe there's a lot of people who can study for the whole day, but not me. I need to divide my stuff up, and if I can't do that, then I'm sleeping for the whole day. And I was fine with it for a month, but then again I realized that this is not something that I want to do. Either I want to get myself to something, or else I just want to do anything, because I can't stay at home. I need to invest my time, because your time is your biggest investment, I feel. So I had a conversation with my family, and because my family is in aviation, like all of them are in aviation only, if I may say. So I was having a conversation with my chachu, and I was like that I'm so bored, I don't know what to do, this is really going to my brain, I'm just so done with it. So he was like, why are you not trying for a crew and all, you'll get good salary also, then there's layover and all. And I was like, is it okay? That day I was like, I searched it up quickly. Okay, I want to be an air hostess and all that. Up now, it's a very big question for somebody who has never been to, who has zero knowledge of aviation industry. When I started off, right, I didn't know what is an air hostess. I didn't know what is a cabin crew. I didn't know what is a flight attendant. My mind was, I was struggling that what is this. On one website, people are telling me that this is an air hostess thing, and on the other website I'm getting that you're a cabin crew. So that's why my first video on this channel, what is the major difference between an air hostess, a cabin crew, and a flight attendant. So anyway, when I figured it out, I went to where everybody goes, to Frankfurt. And they are very good at telling you that you should join and all. However, I will talk about it later. If you want me to talk, I can talk about it. Anyway, I joined it. I left it because I thought it's not for me. I'm not somebody. Because it's pretty basic. If you prepare it by yourself, if you want to prepare it by yourself, it's not that big deal. Just watch a lot of YouTube, focus on yourself, take good care of yourself, keep your things clear, and you'll clear the interviews. I gave interviews for like 5 times. I got rejected 4 times. So I'll tell you about the rejections also, but in another video anyway. Then the day I got selected, I couldn't believe it. I was like, how? I don't know what happened, this, that. Because I'll tell you, becoming a crew, you have to know how you have to, put yourself. Your grooming should be on point, your makeup should be on point, the way you dress up and all. Now I have always been somebody who is really, into dressing up and all, but makeup was not my cup of tea. Okay, so in 2023 when I started off, I was like, bro, what will I do? I don't know makeup. And in an interview, they told me that, Priya, you need to focus on your makeup, you need to learn how to do makeup. So what I used to do was, my cousin used to do my makeup, and then I used to go for interviews. But you can't survive like that in this industry. Eventually I learned it. So there's that. And then I can talk about it for the whole day if I can, but I'm gonna end this video. You can drop a message here in my DM, on Instagram, wherever you're comfortable. And if you like this video, please give it, whatever the basic thing which every YouTuber says, give it a thumbs up, give it a like, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you all soon. And I think my next video is gonna be about why was I rejected, like why did they reject me 1000 times, not 1000 times, like 4 times, but what were the reasons. So, and all the time I went for Air India only. I didn't go for any other airline because I just didn't want to go anywhere else. I was like, my goal is clear, I want to be in Air India. So there's that. So I'll see you all later. Bye bye. I hope you had a good time. I hope you liked listening to me and liked seeing me blabbering all the time and all that. So bye bye, take care y'all. Bye bye.